The Star Wars Battlefront II beta showed off the incredible graphics and refined action fans can expect when the full game releases on November 17th, but historians of the galaxy far, far away learned something unexpected during the beta. Naboo has a serious bird problem. The homeworld of eventual Emperor Palpatine and Padme Amidala, the mother of Luke and Leia, Naboo is an idyllic and luscious world with forests and waterfalls that complement the rounded architecture of both the humans of Naboo and underwater-dwelling Gungans. Now, a new, canonical detail has been added to the Star Wars universe, the fact that Naboo's capital city, Theed, is overwhelmed by white birds. Possibly doves. They're everywhere. Eat us.